Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're diving into the world of trading, you've probably heard of Trading 212. It's a fantastic app for buying stocks, shares, and more, with user-friendly tools for beginners and pros alike. Today, we're tackling something super helpful: how to use a Trading 212 promo code to unlock exclusive perks like bonus cash or reduced fees. Stick around because this quick guide will have you set up in no time. First things first, why bother with a promo code? Well, it's like getting a free boost to your trading journey. These codes can give you extra funds to start with or waive initial fees, making it easier to build your portfolio without breaking the bank. Excited? Let's jump right in. Step 1. Download the Trading 212 app from your phone's app store or head to their website on your computer. It's free and takes just a minute. Once it's installed, open it up and look for the Sign Up or Create Account button. This is where the magic begins. Step 2. Fill in your details. You'll need to provide your email, create a password, and maybe verify your phone number. During this process, keep an eye out for a field that says something like promo code or referral code. If it's not there right away, don't worry, it might pop up after you submit your basic info. Step 3. Enter your promo code. Make sure it's typed in exactly as given. Codes are usually case sensitive, so double check that. Once entered, hit Apply or Submit. The app should confirm if it's valid, and you'll see your rewards added to your account. Step 4. Complete the verification. Trading 212 will ask you to verify your identity for security reasons. This might involve uploading an ID or linking a bank account. Once that's done, your promo code benefits should activate automatically. And there you have it. You're now ready to start trading with those extra perks. Remember, always trade responsibly and do your own research. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.